Hello world, it's Pretty Coach Ethel here once again, and today I'm gonna show you how would you know if you've got hooded eyelids. But before that, please like and share this video so that you can help others also find out what their eye shape is. Have you ever noticed that whenever you apply your makeup on or you copied from somebody, it doesn't just look the same with your eyes? Well, let me tell you, not all eyelids are the same. That's the secret. For today's video, let me share you about the 3 basic eyelids that most women have. The monolid or the single lid, the hooded eyelid, the normal, something in between. The monolid doesn't have a division between your crease and your eyelid. That's why it's also called a single lid. The most famous person having a single or monolid is Lucy Liu. Now, for the hooded eyelid, as you can see, the eye socket is not visible. There is a big chunk of skin in the crease, and the crease is seated right on top of the lashes, making the lid less visible. This is obvious when you try to draw a straight line, and when you look down, it's curvy, it's not straight anymore. Hooded eyelid is considered as the most challenging eyelid by so many makeup artists out there because you cannot simply do a straight line. In my next video, I'm gonna show you what to do and what not to do when you've got hooded eyelid. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel so you get notification every single week about the easy beauty styles and videos. And let's make the world happy. Thank you!